Great day, everyone. So this is lesson 6 or our first lesson for Prefinals. So ito lang po yung pinaka-lesson natin sa Prefi na but nahatiin natin siya into 2 videos. No, so we have elements and principles of art. So sa pagdating po sa art, we do have 2 elements, the visual and auditory. But first, today we will just discuss the principles of art, some principles, what are the definition, and what are the different elements when it comes to art. Na elements ng visual art. Yan. So first, pag sinabi nating visual arts, no, sabi, building, para daw siyang building blocks of matter, no. So, yung mga elements ito ay unti-unting nabubuo ang isang specific na artwork, no. Yan. So, ito po yung different elements na meron tayo sa visual arts, no. So, we have the line, ito. We have the shape and form. Ito, shape and then form. We have the space. It's right here. And then, color. Yung color wheel. And then, the texture. So, later on, mas maintindihan nyo pa po. Mas makikita pa natin kung ano yung differences ng mga to. But first, we have the line. No? So, ito po ay madaling ma-distinguish. Alam naman natin kung ano yung line. And it's a point moving in one direction. No? So, pwedeng horizontal, vertical, pababa, or diagonal. No? Pero meron daw mga iba't ibang klase ng line. May mga thick lines, no? And may iba't ibang meaning rin daw yung lines. No? So, ito si Keith Haring. Siya po ay isang artist na gumawa nitong artwork na to na Todos Juntos Podemos Parar el SIDA or Together We Can Stop AIDS. No? So, sa kanya, ang kanyang technique is more on lines, di ba? Meron ditong pa-diagonal, parang pataas and bababa, merong straight, may pahalang, no? So, yun yung kanyang pinaka-forte. And then, pagdating sa line, meron tayong ilang examples, no? We have the horizontal and vertical line, no? Ang meaning daw ng mga ganong lines ay rest or calm. Kasi diba diretso lang, no? Kapag ginambare mo siya sa mga drawings, diba mga landscape, yung linya niya isang diretso lang na ganon. Parang skyline, ganon. So, parang nakaka-relax yung feels kapag tinitingnan mo yung mga ganong klase ng art. No? Meron din naman daw. It also means, sa vertical naman, o yung pababa na linya, pag ganon, diretso. So, daw ay stability and firmness. So, when you're looking at a building, di ba, mostly pababang lines sila. So, pinapakita dun yung firmness and parang strong yung ipinapakitang message nung line na yun. Then, we also have diagonal and crooked lines. So, dito naman, ang sinasabi ay it conveys movement and instability. So, maraming iba't ibang definition or maaaring i-associate na meaning dito. Merong, pag mga hindi daw pantay-pantay na line o parang guri-guring lines, no? It can be in violence, conflict, or struggle, no? Pwede diba sa mga comics, pag medyo magulo-gulo or guri-guri yung lines, diba pwedeng ang itsura nun struggling or parang angry, ganon. So, yun yung sinasabi sa definition ng line. And then, curved lines, so daw ay sinasabing may softness, grace, flexibility, and sensuality. So, di ba pag mga flowers, no? Parang magkaganda silang tingnan. They have these curved lines. Na yun yung mostly associated na meaning. Yan, and then dito, this is a portrait by Francisco de Goya, which is entitled Porque Esconderla. So, makikita nyo po na forte niya is etch na drawing. You can see here the lines, the texture, ayan, yung shading, no? And you can still see the faces and the expressions of the people. Yan, and then ito naman po ay yung Theodore Géricault's painting, which is the Raft of Medusa. So, ito po ay yung ship, no, ng Royal Navy na nasira. Ang pangalan ng ship ay Medusa. And then, since kulang sila sa lifeboat, yung iba para makasurvive, kumapit dito sa raft na to or dun sa parang parte ng barko na natira, no? Kaya lang, ang ending ay medyo naging tragic dahil nag-result ito sa cannibalism kasi 13 days silang nakalutang sa dagat. No? So, para lang um, masagip or parang maligtas sila sa buhay nila ay nag-result yun sa cannibalism. But this shows yung parang tension, no? Yung despair and yung sadness sa situation nila na hindi naman din may iwasan. Siyempre, lahat naman gusto mabuhay. So, they're struggling for their life. Yeah, now next element po natin ay shape and form. No, so, this is connected para silang magkapatid. Kasi, pag sinabing shape, yun yung triangle, square, circle, no? It's two-dimensional lang. Pero pag sinabing form, ito po yung nakikita natin cube, pyramid, yan. Now, pagdating sa form, meron dalawang klase. Itong geometric, o yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, yung medyo mathematical na yan, sphere, cube, pyramid, cylinder, etc. And then, we have the organic, or itong colorful na to on the side. Yan. Kaya sinabing organic, kasi ito naman ay medyo, hindi siya ginagamit ng mathematical sense, pero, nare-recognize natin siya agad kasi existing siya in real life. For example, ito, mukha siyang jelly bean or pwede namang mukha siyang bato. No, na in real life, meron namang bato. No. Ayan. Ito pala yun. Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, geometric, ginagamit in mathematical propositions. No? Tsaka man-made yung shape na ito. Yan yung examples natin. And then organic, ito ay readily available sa nature. No? Often irregular and asymmetric. So, yung geometric, pantay-pantay, sakto yung shape. Sa organic, iba-iba. No, and organic na siya kasi existing siya in real life. So ito, this is an example of a geometric form kasi pare-parehas, no? Merong square, rectangle, and then same colors, parang pattern lang siya. So ang tawag po dito ay composition with color planes and gray lines. Yan yung example ng geometric. Then, ito naman po ay example ng organic artwork. Dahil, makikita nyo, vase siya, but yung design is parang gulay, no? So, parang ito, mukha siyang sibuyas, and ito mukhang tomato, and then the leafy vegetables, no? So, organic kasi hindi pa siya pare-parehas, hindi naman pantay-pantay, irregular yung shape, pero nare-recognize mo siya agad na nadi-distinguish mo na, ay, mukha siyang tomato, no? Yun po yung pag sinabing organic. Ito naman, another thing is, example natin ay si the Madonna of the Meadows. So, ito ay tinasabi ring parang geometric or just containing the shape of a triangle sa artwork na ito. No? Hindi naman siya geometric, pero ang content niya is parang triangle kasi from the shape ng mga tao dito, parang si Mary yung nasa tuktok, and then yung Jesus on the right, and then ito si John the Baptist. So parang triangle silang pa ganyan. Yun yung pinapakitang shape dito sa artwork na ito. Ayan. Now, the fourth one is space, no? So, ito daw ay sense of depth. No? So, dito makikita natin yung iba't ibang definition, no? Para paano mapapalutang yung isang specific na focus ng artwork, mga ganyan. And we have to have two types of space pagdating sa two-dimensional artwork. No? So, first is positive and negative space. Ito yung pinakita natin kanina. No? Identified with white space, yun daw po ang negative space. No? Then, positive space ay yung nandun yung shadow or yung parang black part. Then, another is three-dimensional space. Ito daw ay nakukuha through shading. No? So, kung marunong kayo mag-drawing, or yung iba na arky, ganun, naiintindihan nyo, or madali lang para sa inyo ma-distinguish yung space. No, so, yan. Mga gantong sculpture can be an example also of a space. Like this one, this is the Cloud Gate, 2004 in Chicago. No, so, kung makikita mo, mukha lang siyang jelly bean, no? But, others say that it is very beautiful and iba rin yung experience pag ikaw mismo naglakad ka dito sa ilalim na part ng bean, na parang it gives you a different perspective of the artwork itself. And next is color. So, ito po yung elements na nag-enhance ng itsura ng isang artwork. Totoo naman, no? If yung color ay medyo off, di ba parang hindi natin masyado na-appreciate yung art. But if it's yung sakto lang na color, yung appropriate para dun sa artwork, edi mas nakaka-engganyo or nakaka-catch ng attention ng mga tao. And then, meron daw property of light that reflects on the object, and then we have different parang iba't ibang harmonies pagdating sa colors, no? But this color theory or color wheel, no, originally was used for experiments by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666. Remember the important informations. Yeah. So, ito naman, this color wheel is specifically from Jaime Castiglio. So, yan yung typical color wheel. Diba nung mga elementary, high school, or kahit nung kinder, no, may lesson tayo about colors, like the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Yan. So, now we have different properties of color. We have hue, value, and intensity. Ito po yung parang comparison niya side by side. Ito yung saturation is also called intensity. Okay, so parang pagkakalakas o pagkakahina ng pagka-red niya, then hue, different colors, and then value, yung different shades. Yan, so hue, ito nga yung colors. We do have 3 categories: the primary, secondary, and tertiary. So primary, we have red, yellow, and blue. Secondary is yung combination ng tatlo, so green, orange, and violet. And then the tertiary is a mix of primary and secondary colors. Yan. So ito yung mga kulay na meron tayo. And this classification. So ito primary, secondary, and then yung product nila, tertiary. Okay? Next naman is value. Ito naman ay brightness or darkness of color. No? So, ayan yung pinaka-communication sa art. So, we can have it like different feelings, emotions, no? Kahit nga 'di ba sa mga movies, makikita nyo na iba yung color na ginagamit kapag horror, kapag comedy, ganun. And then here, light colors are taken as source of light, dark colors are lack of light. Tint and shade. Tint is a lighter color than normal value. So, kung ang normal ay red, pag sinabing tint, ang tint niya ay color pink because it is one color lighter. And then, pag sinabi namang shade, ito ay darker naman. No? So, parang kung red, ang mas darker sa kanya is maroon. Nakikita po, na-imagine nyo ba? So, kung red ang nasa middle, red, kunwari ito ay red, itong nasa lighter color which is tint ay pink, at yung sa kabilang side naman which is darker ay maroon. Yan, so this is for you to easily distinguish yung tint and shade. No, sinama ko lang tong tone pero hindi naman siya kasama. So kung kunwari ang original color ay pure yellow, ayan, pag dinagdagan mo siya ng light color, for example, dinagdagan mo ng white, ang tint niya is ito ng parang light pastel yellow. No, but kung yung pure yellow ay dinagdagan ng darker shade or one shade darker, ito naman ay yung shade na parang golden brown. Okay? Yan. Next is intensity. It refers to color's brightness or dullness. No, so ito ay pag bright or warm, ito ay positive energy. Dull or cool colors ay soothing, seriousness, or calm. Ayan, ito naman yung pag-usapan natin yung different color harmonies. No? Ayan, so ito yung mga bright and warm colors. Di ba pag yung mga motion detector na cameras, makikita nyo na kapag may tao, ganito yung kulay. Kasi yun yung warmness ng katawan ng tao. So, yan. Yun yung nakikita natin. Then, intensity. Here, yung bright, yung cool colors naman. Most of the time yan, blue, bluish, purple. Yan yung colors. Yan. Now, there are different classification of harmonies that we have. First is monochromatic harmonies. Ito ay different variations of hue or parang different colors. Yung pinagsasama-sama. So, this painting is the Houses of Parliament by Claude Monet. Yan. Tamo, makikita nyo na different colors yung ginamit. We have here parang greenish na medyo black. And then the light color here, red, yellow, and white. Yan po, monochromatic. Next is complementary harmonies. Ito naman po ay yung mga complementary colors sa color wheel. Pag sinabing complementary, yun yung magkatapat na color. So, we have green and red. No? As an example, balikan nyo yung color wheel. And then we have yellow and blue. And so on. Yun po yung kanilang pinagsasamang kulay pag complementary harmonies. And then, analogous harmonies, kung dun sa complementary, yung magkatapat, magkasalungat na colors, dito naman sa analogous, yung tatlong magkakatabi. No, so, we have orange, yellow, and yellow-orange. No, parang in the same shade sila, pero one shade darker or one shade lighter. Yun po yung analogous, no, magkakatabi na colors sa color wheel. Next is triadic harmonies. Make use of 3 colors from equidistant sides within the color wheel. So, parang tatlong colors na magkakalayo, equidistant to each other. So, we have blue, then we have orange, then we have red. And alam naman natin na since mostly primary colors sila, magkakalayo sila sa color wheel. Okay, so ayan po yung The Scream by Edward Munch. Yan. Next element is texture, no? So, ito daw po can be real or implied. No? So, kung real ay yung talagang texture ng bagay or ng art, implied if it is in a painting or photography. Ayan, pwede rin na siya associated with textiles or mga tela. No? Ayan. So, makikita natin dito yung iba't ibang texture. Ito daw yung mga words that you're using to describe them. Rough or smooth, hard or soft, hairy, leathery, sharp, or dull, etc. So, ito po, this is the first example. This is Margarita Gonzaga, Princess of Mantua. This is highlighted in the texture. So, makikita nyo, in medieval ages, ganyan po talaga yung mga damit nila. And then, nai-apply siya through painting, kahit 2-dimensional space lang siya. So, kahit nakikita mo lang siya through painting, parang nafe-feel mo yung totoong texture ng damit, no? Lalo na tong part na to. Kahit hindi mo siya nahahawakan. Okay? Next is this surface texture. Sa mga sculpture naman siya applicable sa 3-dimensional objects. No, kagaya nito, makikita nyo, if you can feel the object, you can feel that there's an emboss, there's a sharp edge, there's a curved edge, and so on. No? Yan, sinasabi doon na common language. Kasi parang lahat naman, kahit different languages tayo, naiintindihan natin ano yung pinapoint out ng texture, no? O lahat tayo naiintindihan na yan ay sharp edge, something like that. Yan, and then ito naman po ay planes and perspectives. So, dito, it's more on the illusion or giving a different perspective pagdating sa artwork, no? Pwedeng makita ng third person point of view siya, second person point of view, something like that. So, dito, during the Renaissance or in the 15th century, chiaroscuro was developed. So, ito yung dark contrast the light tones. Parang binibigyan ng shadow or ng definition yung drawing. And we also have linear perspective na ginawa for pictorial, no? So, ito yung later on makipapakita ko sa inyo yung example ng linear perspective. But here, linear perspective was based on the following observation. So, ginagamit siya sa illusion nga na kapag, di ba, if you're driving, kapag mas maliit yung object, ibig sabihin mas malayo. No? So, ganun din daw sa if you're doing photography or if you're doing anything, no? Kahit naman sa paningin natin or sa mata, kapag maliit ang object, ibig sabihin malayo siya sa'yo. And then, we were taught that parallel lines never meet, no? Kaya lang, syempre, kung sa if they come from different points, mag-meet pa rin naman talaga siya. No? Ay meron daw point of disappearance kung saan sila nag-meet at tinatawag daw itong vanishing point. So here, first is the example of linear perspective. No? So makikita nyo, diba, sa malayo may parang flagpole and then may parang yung parang box na yun, no? So, ibig sabihin, as you can see on the picture, maliit siya. So, ibig sabihin, malayo yung part na yun um, ng, ano na to? Tag dito, ng, malayo siya from point of view ng nag-picture. Ayan. And then we do have different vanishing points. We have 1 point and 2 points. Pag 1 point, ibig sabihin usually roads, tracks, hallways, or trees, no? Ibig sabihin parallel lines na dun, makikita mo na parang doon nag-end yung line, no? And then pag 2 point, galing siya sa dalawang points. So ito yung 1 point perspective. Pag tingnan nyo siya, 'di ba, sa daan, sa dulo nun, vanishing point na kasi di ko naman makikita yung liko eh. Diba? Same as dito sa part na to. But dito, pina-emphasize yung 1 point perspective na sa isang side ka lang nakatingin. Hindi mo naman makikita yung kaliwa. Pagliko dun sa dulo. And then 2 point perspective, ito naman, yung lines dito sa dalawang daan, no? Hindi mo naman makikita yung dulo nito and then dulo nitong nasa, parang may bike. No? So, yun yung 2 point perspective na sinasabi dito sa picture in planes. Yan. And then last one, we do have the 3 point perspective o tinatawag nating bird's eye view. So, ito naman yung parang third person point of view na nasa taas ka at nakikita mo yung ilang vanishing points, no? 3. Pwedeng kanan, kaliwa, and then yung nasa harap. No? So, yun po yung sa 3 point perspective. And that is actually the end of our first part of the lesson. Next video will be the element of audio. No? So, meron tayong visual and meron tayong audio. Yun lang. Thank you for listening.